Welcome to Siddhivinayak Education Institute.
Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Santani and we are going to start our new chapter, trigonometry. Trigonometry is only applicable in right angle triangles. Suppose we can take a very similar example. In this diagram, angle B is 90 degree, AC is hypotenuse, AB is base, BC is height. So now we have to apply trigonometry in this diagram. First of all, we have to take an angle as our main angle. I am taking here angle A as theta to continue my equations. Now there are six main ratios of trigonometry. Examples are sine, cos, tan, and other three are just reciprocal of this, like sec, cosec and cot. Now sine is reciprocal of cos and cosec, and cos is reciprocal of sec. Cot is reciprocal of tan. In this equation, in this example, we have to put our three main characteristics: sine, cos, tan. Now I had get this theta. First of all, the main formula of sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. We can write this as O upon H. Now in this equation, our sine theta will be, angle A is our theta, so opposite side means BC upon hypotenuse is AC, is equal to, the value of BC and AC is 3 upon 5. The value of sine theta in this example is 3 upon 5. Cos theta, the basic formula of cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. We can write this as A upon H. Now the value of cos theta in this example will be adjacent side, means AB upon hypotenuse AC is equal to 4 divided by 5. Now this is our value of cos theta in this example. Now number 3, tan theta. The value of the basic structure of tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to O upon A. We can write it as O upon A. Now the value of tan theta in this example will be opposite side means BC upon adjacent side means AB is equal to 3 by 4. The values of sine, cos, tan in this example is 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now there is a basic trick to learn the values of sine, cos and tan. The basic formula to learn this: sine OH, O, cos AH, A, and tan OA. It means O first of all sine, then cos, and then tan. O A O A. The basic structure to learn it. O A O A. And the other three are just reciprocal of this. So the values of cosec theta will be hypotenuse upon opposite side. Hypotenuse upon opposite side is equal to, hypotenuse is AC upon opposite side means BC. AC upon BC. The value will be phi by 3. Just reciprocal of this. Reciprocal. Now again this and this. The answer will be continued as sec will be 4 by 5 and the cot will be 4 by 3. Now these are our answers by this example, and these are very easy to learn. The basic formula to learn OA will help you in exam also, and the basic fundamental use of trigonometry is to calculate the other side without any information of three individual sides. I would like to explain with a question. First of all, the question will be similar to this. So what will be the question B? Question first. There is a right angle triangle of having side on 30 degree, 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. So if the value of this is 10, then I have to calculate AB and BC. The value of AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Now I had to calculate the value of AB and BC. So the three main fundamental unit is sine, cos, tan. So I would take help of sine, cos, tan to calculate my other sides. First of all, I will take any angle to as theta. I would like to take 30 degree as theta. Here 30 degree let be theta. Okay. So the value of other sides will be, the value of hypotenuse is given. AC is equal to 10 centimeter is hypotenuse. The basic fundamental unit of sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, opposite side of this BC upon hypotenuse 10. The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to BC upon 10. So 10 will be go here. BC is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. From this method we can calculate the side. Now this we had already 5 centimeter. Now we can use any angle, any fundamental unit like cos or tan. I would prefer cos as my other fundamental unit, so cos 30. Now I would now this onwards I will take theta as 60 degree. Sorry, the angle will be 30 degree. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side upon a is equal to adjacent side means AB upon AC. Now the value of AC is 10, AB we have to calculate. Now the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. The 10 will be shifted here, so the value of AB will convert 10 root 3 divided by 2, which will be contained 5 root 3. So the values of this quotient AB will contain 5 root 3. By this quotient we can understand the values of sin 30, cos 30 and many other things. We can put any value on theta. This equation help us very much to calculate our other sides and many other things, like even we can find the angle also with this terms. So we took further. तो अब एक बेसिक सा रूल है जो मैथमेटिशियन द्वारा क्रिएट किया गया था, 30, 60, 90 थ्योरम एंड 45, 90 theorem. Okay, so in what we contain with this theorems, we would take any angle as 30 degree. In before example we had already seen the side opposite to 30 degree will be the half of hypotenuse. Suppose I contain hypotenuse as x, so the opposite side will be half x, means x divided by 2, and the angle against 60 degree will be x root 3 by 2. Now this equation we had already measured by the previous question. Now what is 45, 90 degree theorem says? The angle of 45 degree, 90 degree, the side opposite to this will be 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 of x, means x divided by root 2, and the side opposite this will also be equal to this, x by root 2. Why this value is equal to this value? Because the angle is same, so it will contain same measurement of sides. So we took session further and it helps too much to calculate the questions like in physics we had already seen, like a person is in the building at the top of building and he is seeing a bird at point A, a bird point A. The angle containing with the horizon is 30 degree and the distance between building and bird is 100 meter. Now we had to tell, so the question is find the distance between bird and boy. So the minimum, so the distance will be this point A to B, and the angle of seeing this will be 30 degree. Means if we contain this as a right angle triangle, it contains 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now in this we have to find B, distance between B and A. We had given this side and we have to calculate hypotenuse. So we can take cos 60 or cos 30 to calculate hypotenuse. Let me consider AB as x. So cos 30 is equal to 100 divided by x. Value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 100 by x. 100 will be contained here and root cross multiplication 200 is equal to root 3 x root 3. So x is equal to 200 divided by root 3. This is the value of x, means the distance between boy and bird is 200 divided by root 3 meter or centimeter units. So this how we can calculate any measurement of triangle with the help of any angle given to us. Thank you. This video is east and west, Siddhivinayak is best. Thank you.